Welcome to this session. Today, we're diving into Docker and Ansible, two game changers in DevOps. Docker helps us package applications neatly into containers, while Ansible automates tasks like a pro. These tools save time and effort, making life easier for developers and operations teams. Stick around as we explore how they work, why they matter, and how you can use them effectively. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Docker is like a magic box. You put your app inside and it runs the same way everywhere. No more works on my machine headaches. It keeps things portable, reliable, and hassle-free. Whether you're developing, testing, or deploying, Docker ensures everything is neatly wrapped up and ready to go. Docker's features are all about speed and consistency. It helps developers build lightweight containers, ensuring applications work smoothly across environments. With quick deployment and support for microservices, scaling becomes effortless. Think of it as packing your app into a suitcase that fits perfectly in any cloud or server. Docker's architecture is straightforward yet powerful. The Docker engine is the heart, running containers efficiently. The Docker Hub acts like a supermarket for container images, making sharing easy. And the best part, it works across different OS and cloud platforms, giving developers flexibility. Let's break it down further. Think of Docker images as blueprints. You pull them from Docker Hub or build your own, and they serve as the foundation for your containers. Having different image versions allows developers to manage applications efficiently. It's like making multiple copies of a recipe and tweaking each version. Containers are the actual running versions of Docker images. They keep applications isolated, avoiding conflicts. Managing them is easy with Docker CLI and Compose. You can start, stop, or remove them anytime, just like switching between different apps on your phone, but for your development workflow. Ansible makes automation feel effortless. It uses simple playbooks, like a set of instructions for handling tasks. No need for extra software, it just works. Whether it's configuring servers or deploying applications, Ansible does the heavy lifting, so you don't have to. Ansible's key features focus on efficiency. No extra agents, just SSH to get things done. It automates deployments and works across different platforms, making it a go-to tool for managing infrastructure. Imagine having a smart assistant that takes care of all your tech chores. Ansible's architecture is beautifully simple. A controller node sends instructions, and managed nodes follow them. Playbooks define the automation workflow, while modules handle tasks. The best part, it seamlessly integrates with cloud providers. Let's dig deeper. Alright folks, first things first, no Ansible without Python. Get that set up and then install Ansible. Next, we need to tell Ansible what machines we're working with, which means configuring the inventory and settings files. SSH connections come next. Without them, Ansible is like a conductor without an orchestra. Finally, let's run some basic commands, because if it doesn't work now, it's better to know sooner than later. Playbooks are where the magic happens. These are like recipe cards in YAML format, simple, structured, and ready to automate tasks. We define what needs to be done using tasks and roles, and then execute them with a single command. Want some extra flexibility? Throw in some variables and templates. It's like cooking with seasoning. You don't want every dish to taste the same. Now we mix Ansible with Docker like peanut butter and jelly, but way more practical. With Ansible, installing Docker is a breeze. Deployment, automated, managing containers, just a few playbook tasks away, and reusable configurations. That's where roles shine. Why set things up manually every time when you can automate the boring stuff? Ansible and Docker working together. Now we're talking. We leverage Ansible modules to keep Docker in check, automate multi-container apps effortlessly, and even handle orchestration. And of course, troubleshooting is part of the package. Ansible playbooks ensure we don't spend hours figuring out why it's not working. Best practices. the difference between a smooth operation and a chaotic mess. Keeping playbooks modular and reusable saves you from future headaches. Organizing with roles, a lifesaver. Security, non-negotiable. And let's not forget regular updates, because outdated dependencies love to break things at the worst possible time. Challenges are inevitable, but so are solutions. SSH acting up, check keys and permissions, playbook errors, debug like a pro, version mismatches, compatibility is key, large deployments dragging their feet, optimizing resources makes all the difference. With Ansible, even the tricky parts can be manageable. And that's a wrap. We've covered the essentials, from installation to troubleshooting. But learning never stops. Keep practicing, experiment with automation, and dive deeper into advanced possibilities. Oh, and don't forget to connect with the Ansible and Docker communities. They're gold mines of knowledge and support. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.